Welcome. I am Varsa from BSc second year chemistry honors. Today I am here to present visually impaired video of phenols. Good morning to all. My name is Varsa from BSc second year chemistry honors. Today I am here to present visually impaired video of phenols. Introduction. Phenols are aromatic hydroxy compounds in which the hydroxyl group is directly attached to an aromatic ring. They may be presented by the general formula AROH, where AR represents a phenyl, a substituted phenyl, or some other aryl group such as naphthyl, depending upon the number of hydroxyl groups attached to the aromatic ring. The phenols may be classified as mono, di, trihydric phenols, and so on. For example, we have phenol, orthocresol, risocinol, pyrogalol. The hydroxyl group attached to the aromatic ring is known as phenolic group. As already stated in chapter 3, phenols are different from aromatic hydroxy compounds in which the hydroxyl group is present in the side chain. The latter type of compounds are in fact aryl substituted aliphatic alcohols, and their behavior is similar to that aliphatic alcohols. However, both phenols and aromatic alcohols resemble each other in undergoing the electrophilic aromatic substitution and in certain other respects. Nomenclature of phenols. The simplest member of phenols is always known by its popular name phenol, although its IUPAC name is benzenol. All substituted monohydric phenols are named as derivatives of the simplest members of the series, that is phenol. However, methyl phenols possess special common names. The positions of substituent with respect to OH group are denoted by ortho, meta, and para in the common system, but by numbers in the IUPAC system with the OH group carrying the number 1. The following example illustrate the method of naming phenol. The name given in brackets are common names: phenol, 2-chlorophenol, 2,4-dinitrophenol, 2-methylphenol, 3-methylphenol, 4-methylphenol, ortho, meta, and paracresol. The di- and trihydric phenols have the IUPAC names benzyl diols and benzene triols respectively, but most of them are known as by their special name and given below. It should be noted, however, that when a compound contains some functional group such as carboxylic group, ester, or carbonyl group in addition to phenolic group, the compound is named as hydroxy derivative of the acid. Ester or carbonyl compound, for example, 4-hydroxybenzaldehyde, 2,4-dihydroxybenzoic acid, ethyl 4-hydroxybenzoate. Structure and bonding. Phenols are compounds having a hydroxyl group directly bonded to benzene ring, while the oxygen of hydroxyl group is in sp3 hybridized state. The carbon of the benzene ring to which oxygen is bonded is in sp2 hybridized state. Resonance interaction takes place between a lone pair of electrons on oxygen and the benzene ring, so that phenols exist as resonance hybrids of resonating structure as shown below. Due to resonance, the carbon-oxygen bond acquires some double bond character and becomes shorter and stronger than the carbon-oxygen bond in alcohols. At the same time, oxygen acquires a slight positive charge, due to which it attracts the electrons pair of OH bonds strongly towards itself. As a result, the OH bond is in phenols becomes more polar than alcohols. Due to above structural features, phenol behave differently from alcohols in many respects and are treated as a separate class of compounds. Method of formation. The commonly employed general method of preparation of phenols are described below. Hydrolysis of diazonium salts. This is probably the most convenient method of preparing phenols. The reaction is usually carried out by slowly adding diazonium salt solution to excess of boiling disulfuric acid. For example, in this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride plus S2 in the presence of H positive and heat, phenol is formed. Second is alkyl fusion of sulfonates. In this method, phenols are obtained by fusion of sodium salts of aromatic sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide followed by acidification. Sodium sulfonate reacts in the presence of fused Na2SO3 and HCl. Phenols are formed. This method cannot be applied to salts of sulfonic acid containing substituents such as Cl, NO2, COOH due to the possibility of various side reactions from isopropyl benzene. This method is used particularly for the large-scale preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene, popularly known as cumene. Cumene is readily oxidized by air to form cumene hydroperoxide, which is converted into phenol and acetone by treatment with an aqueous acid. Mechanism. The mechanism of conversion of cumene hydroperoxide into phenol involves a series of 5 steps as shown below. In step 1, peroxide gets converted into a protonated peroxide from which a water molecule is eliminated to form an intermediate having electron deficient oxygen. In step 3, a 1,2 shift of the phenyl group takes place, giving a carbocation. The carbocation takes up a molecule of water to form a hemiacetal. The hemiacetal finally breaks to yield phenol and acetone. It may be noted that cumene itself is obtained by a Friedel-Crafts reaction between benzene and propylene in the presence of ferric chloride. Fourth is from aryl halides. Substituted phenols have electron withdrawing groups like NO2 group in ortho-para position to the OH group can be easily prepared from the corresponding aryl halides by treatment with aqueous sodium hydroxide. For example, when para-nitrochlorobenzene reacts, para-nitrophenol is formed. Phenol itself is also manufactured by this method by heating chlorobenzene with 10% sodium hydroxide solution at 603 to 623 Kelvin under a pressure of 200 atmosphere in the presence of copper salt. The process is known as Tau's process. Fifth is from phenolic acid. Distillation of sodium salt of phenolic acid with sodium lime yields phenols. For example, sodium salicylate plus anions reacts in the presence of CaO. Phenol are formed. From Grignard reagent, phenols may be prepared by treatment aryl magnesium bromide with oxygen followed by hydrolysis of the product. For example, phenyl magnesium bromide reacts in the presence of O2 and H3O positive. Phenol are formed. From coal tar, phenol or creosotes are also obtained on large scale from the middle oil fraction obtained on distillation of coal tar. Physical state. Pure phenols are generally colorless liquids or solids, but they usually appear slightly colored as the readily got oxidized even in air, and oxidation products are colored compounds. At the same time, substituents like NO2 also impart color to phenols. Second is boiling point. Due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, phenols boiling point considerably higher than corresponding hydrocarbons by aryl halides which do not contain hydrogen bonds. For example, phenol boils at 455 Kelvin temperature while toluene boils at 384 Kelvin only. However, phenols do not react with aqueous carbonates or bicarbonates. Moreover, the salts of phenols are converted into phenols by aqueous mineral acids, carboxylic acids, or even carbonic acid. These observations indicate that phenols are weak acid and weaker than carboxylic acid or even carbonic acid. This is confirmed by a comparison of their acidity constants or pKa values. While phenols have Ka values of the order 1 multiply 10 raised to power minus 10. Carboxylic acid and carbonic acid have Ka value of about 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 and 1 into 10 raised to power minus 7 respectively. Even though very weakly acidic themselves, phenols are much more acidic than alcohols, which have Ka values of the order of 1 into 10 raised to power minus 16 to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 18. This appears to be rather surprising since both phenols and alcohols are characterized by the presence of hydroxyl groups. What then is the reason that an OH attached to an aromatic ring is so much more acidic than an OH attached to an alkyl group? We would attempt to answer this question by considering the stability of ions formed relative to stability of unionized compound. Explanation of acidic character. The ionization of phenols is an equilibrium reaction involving the unionized phenol and phenoxide and hydronium ions, as for example this reaction. Now neither phenol nor phenoxide ion can be represented by only one valence bond formula. No, on the other hand, each of them is a resonance hybrid of various contributing structure as shown below. It may be noted that contributing structures 1C, 1D and 1E of phenols involve separation of charge and are therefore less stable than the structures 1A and 1B. On the other hand, in case of phenoxide ion, none of these contributing structures involves charge separation and the structures are almost equally stable, as such phenoxide ion in resonance stabilized to a greater extent than phenol. Therefore, the equilibrium between phenol and phenoxide ion favors the formation of phenoxide ion and hydronium ion, that is phenol plus H2O. This accounts the acidic characters of phenol. Comparison with alcohols. In case of alcohols, the equilibrium reaction involving alcohol and alkoxide ion does not favor the formation of alkoxide ion and hydronium ion. This is because there is no resonance stabilization of alkoxide ion relative to alcohol since this is because there is no resonance stabilization of alkoxide ion relative to alcohol since neither the alcohol nor the alkoxide ion exhibits resonance, that is alcohol plus H2O in the equilibrium alkoxide ion plus H3O falls to 4. Hence, it should not be surprising that compared to alcohols, phenols ionize more readily to form phenoxide ion and hydronium ion. In other words, phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Effect of substituents on the acidity of phenols. The acidity of phenols is strongly influenced by the substituents attached to the benzene ring and their position. This is because the state of equilibrium in the reaction between phenol and water to furnish phenoxide ion and the hydronium ion depend upon the stability of the products relative to the stability of reactants. Any factor which stabilizes the phenoxide ion more than the parent phenol should increase the acidity, while any factor that destabilizes the phenoxide ion should decrease the acidity as illustrated below. First is nature of substituent on the benzene ring. A. Electron withdrawing substituents. Phenol having electron withdrawing substituents such as halogens and nitro groups are more acidic than phenol itself. This is because an electron withdrawing substituent attracts the electrons towards itself and thus disappears the negative charge of the phenoxide ion. As a result, it stabilizes the phenoxide ion and increases the acidity of phenol. Next is electron releasing substituents. Phenols containing electron releasing groups such as alkyl groups are less acidic than phenol itself. This is because an electron releasing substituent releases the electron away from itself and thus intensifies the negative charge on the phenoxide ion. In this way, it destabilizes the ion. and thereby decreases the acidity of phenol. In short, electron withdrawing groups increases the acidity of phenols while electron releasing group decreases the acidity. In table 2.1 shows the effect of different substituents on the acidities of phenol. Remember that lower the pK, higher the acidity. Next is position of substituent relative to hydroxyl group. Apart from the nature of substituent, the position of the substituent relative to hydroxyl group also has large influence on the acidity of phenol. This may be explained as follows. First is the stabilizing or destabilizing influence of the substituent operates through inductive effect as well as resonance effect. The intensity of inductive effect of the substituent decreases as its distance from the OH group increases. This is ortho position greater than meta position greater than para position. That is why acidity of chlorophenols is in the order. Third is the resonance effect is more pronounced if the substituent is in ortho or para position than in meta position. To understand this, let us examine the contributing structure of ortho, meta and para nitrophenoxide ion. It may be seen that ortho and para nitrophenoxide ions is a resonance hybrid of 5 contributing structures in one of the structure. In each case, conjugation is extended up to oxygen atom of the nitro group, but no such conjugation is possible for meta nitrophenoxide ion and it has only 4 contributing structures. The net result is that there is greater resonance stabilization of ortho and para anions than the meta isomer, such as ortho and para nitrophenols are much stronger acids than meta nitrophenol, as shown in table 2.1. Second is ether formation, Williamson synthesis. On a reaction with alkyl halides or dialkyl sulfates, the alkaline medium phenols are converted into corresponding alkyl ethers. The alkyl halide or sulfate undergoes nucleophilic substitution by the phenoxide ion present in alkaline solution of phenol. Thus we have AROH plus NaOH gives ARO negative Na positive plus H2O. For example, when dimethyl sulfide plus alkyl halide reacts, anazole is formed. Benzoylation of phenols is usually carried out in the presence of aqueous NaOH since benzoyl chloride is not easily hydrolyzed by alkalis. The reaction is called Schotten-Bowman reaction. For example, when phenol reacts in the presence of NaOH, aqueous phenol benzoate is formed. Mechanism. To start with, the alkali attacks the phenol to form phenoxide anion. This anion undergoes nucleophilic attack on the carbonyl carbon of the acid chloride to form a tetrahedral intermediate. The intermediate then loses a chloride ion to form that ester. Phenoxide ion reacts and phenoxide ion form and Cl negative releases. Fries rearrangement. If an ester of phenol is heated with aluminium chloride, the acyl group migrated from the phenolic oxygen to the ortho or para position on the ring. This is called Fries arrangement. For example, when phenyl propionate reacts in the presence of AlCl3 413 to 423 Kelvin temperature, para hydroxyphenyl ethyl plus ortho hydroxyphenyl ethyl is formed. Claisen rearrangement. This is an interesting rearrangement reaction involving aryl alkyl ethers when heated at 475 Kelvin. The alkyl group of the other migrates from the ether oxygen to the ring carbon at ortho position. When alkyl phenyl ether reacts in the presence of 475 Kelvin temperature, ortho allyl phenol is formed. If both the ortho position are already occupied, the alkyl group migrates to para position. For example, in this given reaction, mechanism of ortho rearrangement. Ortho isomerization involves a concentrated mechanism of which the cleavage of alkyl oxygen bond is synchronized with the formation of alkyl carbon bond at the ortho position. The cyclohexadienone intermediate thus form undergoes a tautomeric change to give the orthoallyl phenol, in which the ring retains the aromatic character as depicted below. It may be carefully noted that it is the gamma carbon of the allyl group which attaches itself to the ring carbon. This is supported by the fact that orthomigration involves an inversion in the position of substituents in the alkyl group with respect to that of the starting compound. For example, in this reaction, mechanism of para rearrangement. Para isomerization involves two stages. In the first stage, orthomigration takes place and the cyclohexadienone intermediate is formed, but this intermediate explanation of ortho-para directing and activating influence of OH group towards electrophilic substitution. The ortho-para directing and activating influence of OH group towards electrophilic aromatic substitution can be explained in terms of assumption and oxygen of the group can share more than one pair of electrons with the ring due to resonance. When phenol undergoes electrophilic substitution, the contributing structure of the intermediate carbocation formed by the attack of electrophile at ortho, para and meta position are known below. Phenol plus 3Br2 reacts 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed. In fact, the reactivity of phenols towards halogenation is so great that even substituents like SO3H group, if present in ortho or para position, get displaced. For example, paraphenol sulfonic acid plus 3Br2 reacts and give product 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Halogenation can, however, be limited to monohalogenation stage by performing it at low temperature and in non-polar solvents such as carbon tetrachloride or carbon disulfide. For example, when phenol plus Br2 reacts in the presence of CS2 and 273 Kelvin temperature, parabromophenol plus orthobromophenol is formed. The above observation can be explained in terms of the fact that greater the electron density around benzene ring, the more easily it undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions. In aqueous solution, phenol ionizes to form phenoxide ion due to the presence of negative charge on it. Oxygen of the phenoxide ion releases electron towards the benzene ring to a large extent. As a result, the electron density around benzene ring becomes very large, so that the ring is highly activated and undergoes tri-substitution. In polar solvents such as CS2, phenol does not undergo ionization to an appreciable extent and occurs mainly as anionized molecules. The OH group of phenol can release electron towards benzene ring only to a small extent. As a result, benzene ring is not strongly activated and therefore it undergoes only mono substitution reactions. Next stage, nitration. Nitration of phenols gives poor yields of the expected nitro compound. This is because phenols are easily oxidized and nitric acid can bring about not only nitration but also oxidation of the starting phenol. For example, when phenol plus dilute NHNO3 reacts in the presence of 298 Kelvin temperature, ortho-nitrophenol plus tetra-nitrophenol is formed. Use of concentrated nitric acid in the above reaction leads to the formation of 2,4,6 trinitrophenol for picric acid in low yields. When phenol plus concentrated HNO3 reacts, picric acid is formed. Next is sulfonation. Sulfonation of phenols proceeds readily to yield either the ortho or the para isomer as the main product depending upon the temperature of reaction. In general, low temperature favors the formation of ortho isomer while high temperature favors the para isomer. For example, when paraphenol sulfonic acid reacts when phenol reacts in the presence of H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin temperature, paraphenol sulfonic acid is formed. When phenol reacts in the presence of H2SO4 and 288 Kelvin temperature, orthophenol sulfonic acid is formed. On heating at 373 Kelvin, orthophenol sulfonic acid changes to the thermodynamically more stable paraphenol sulfonic acid. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Phenol undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation forming the predominantly para isomer. The reaction is carried out in the presence of HF. 10th is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Phenol can also undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation to form ortho and para hydroxyketones by treatment with acid chlorides and acid anhydrides, but the hydroxyketones are generally prepared by Fries rearrangement. Next is Gattermann synthesis. When treated with a mixture of hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, the phenols give phenolic aldehydes. The reaction known as Gattermann synthesis constitutes an important method for synthesizing phenolic aldehyde. For example, in this reaction, the aldehyde group gets attached to peripherally at para position. Mechanism. Gattermann synthesis is an electrophilic aromatic substitution in which the attacking rearrangement formaldinium ion formed the HCN and HCl in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The complete mechanism may be summed up as follows. 12th is Hoban-Hoss reaction. This is an acylation reaction of polyhydric phenols having hydroxy groups in meta position with each other. It is carried out by treatment such phenols with alkyl cyanide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride or aluminum chloride followed with hydrolysis. For example, when fluoroglucinol reacts in the presence of CH3Cn plus HCl and AlCl3, and next is H3O positive 2,4,6 trihydroxyacetophenone is formed. Next is Riemann-Damon reaction. On heating with chloroform with an alkyl phenols are converts into phenolic aldehydes, an aldehyde group being introduced on the aromatic ring, generally at ortho position to the OH group. For example, when the phenol is heated with chloroform and aqueous sodium hydroxide, salicylaldehyde is obtained by as the main product along with a small amount of the para isomer. Mechanism. The mechanism of reaction involves the electrophilic substitution of phenoxide ion formed in solution by the action of alkyl on phenol. The attacking electrophilic reagent is a electron deficient dichloromethylene CCl2, a carbene generated by the action of alkyl on chloroform. Dichloromethylene is electrically neutral, but it acts as an electrophilic reagent as the carbon attacked present in the surrounding by only 6 valence electrons. The complete mechanism may be summed up as follows. If carbon tetrachloride is used in place of chloroform in Riemann-Damon reaction, phenol gives rise to phenolic acid. Next is lateral Meneses reaction. Phenol undergo condensation with aldehydes in the presence of an acid or a base as catalyst. The products initially formed get polymerized to form numerically important polymers. For instance, when phenol is treated with formaldehyde in the presence of an acid or alkali, a mixture of ortho and para-hydroxybenzyl alcohol is fast formed. The alcohol formed undergo polymerization to form a resinous polymer called bakelite. Mechanism of initial condensation. The initial reaction between phenol and formaldehyde involves the electrophilic attack of formaldehyde on phenoxide ion or protonated formaldehyde on phenol as summed up below. These are acid catalysts, these are base catalysts. Next is phthalate reaction. On heating with phthalic anhydride in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or anhydrous zinc chloride, phenols are converted into phthalenes. For example, phenol forms phenolphthalein as shown below. Phenolphthalein is used an indicator in acid-alkali titration. It is colorless in acidic medium but changes to pink color in alkaline medium. Reaction with ferric chloride. Phenol gives a violet coloration with ferric chloride due to the formation of water-soluble complex ferric phenoxide Fe. Other phenols also form colored complexes on treatment with ferric chloride. The reaction is used as an important test in the identification of phenols. The test is not given by alcohols. Next is Lieberman reaction. On treatment with sodium nitrate dissolved in concentrated sulfuric acid, phenols give a red color. The color changes to blue on addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide. This reaction is known as Lieberman reaction. Thank you for watching.